Listen, Earthling, I'm come to conquer this planet. And I saw what you did to it, and now I don't want it anymore. Shame on you, Earthling. So, let's take a look at my new welding machine. I couldn't wait for filming, but I had to rip the box open immediately. And let's see, first of all, what accessories they gave me here. And also they included a free magnetic screw dish. That's nice. So, what do we have here? The instruction manual. We got the roller for the wire, two different size, I guess, copper tips for the wire. Ooh, whatever this is, I guess that's to clean up your welds. Fancy. Didn't expect something like this to be included. Ah, we do get a wire brush. I do have a wire brush, but it's nice to have another one. The clamp here, obviously. You have to have ground to weld. And the nozzle itself. Here with the tip. It's a tip already in it, so we got 3 ones. This is flux core equipment, by the way. And here we got the family of those tools. I got the smallest one, I guess, because I wanted something portable. Here it is, the main attraction. Obviously upside down. I opened the box the wrong way around. Yeah, my fault. But I'm pretty sure we get it out of here somehow. Yes. So, it's out now, the box. Designed and quality controlled in Germany. Not made in Germany, but Germany is dying as a... dying. Germany's dying anyways. Nothing gets made here anymore because the government is crazy about environmentalism. Ignore all the mess on my workbench. It is not of relevance here. I'm just using it to unbox it. Ooh. This is the modern kind of welding with an inverter. So it's not like a heavy big transformer in it. It's really lightweight for a welding machine. Like a ghetto blaster like this here, if you put batteries in it. And by the way, I could actually turn on music. But I won't film when I play music, because obviously then we would be able to put this online, right? Yeah. So you need 2 hands to open this lid because it got 2 pins. Oh, by the way, how do you like this vintage lamp here? Anyways, yeah, we have to take this off here. Spring, oh, this is a part to lose, obviously. There's where the wire goes. And it goes in here and here between the pinch roller. Yeah. Let me do this off camera. I need 2 hands. So now here we put this up and slide this out. We could change this. Like this? Yeah, this one here. According to which type of filament we use. Yeah. And that's the filament. 0.8, and this one was a 0.8 roller, so we don't have to change it. So this must be a video on my channel on how I made this knife here, or probably, maybe it's not even uploaded yet. Some stuff falls over behind me, like usual. There we go. So let's rip the plastic off here and put it in here. In order to feed this wire into here, we have to obviously clip it to have the bend out of it. It needs to be straight. Just like this. Let's fit it in here, and there we go. Then we have to obviously get it all the way to the next hole and out, and then need two hands. So, and then it will come out here in front. If I need two hands, the video will be in portrait, sorry. There we go. And this obviously is where the wire goes here in the hole. So then we need the real nozzle with the fitting 8 millimeters. Screw it in here, just hand tight, not over tighten it, it's copper. Yeah, and then we have to feed the wire into the hose. So there it is now. I'm pressing the feed button and see, it seems to work. Now we just have to wait till the wire comes out the top here. It takes a while. And there we go. It took a while, but now it's out. So let's switch it off and screw the nozzle. Just hand tighten it. Never over tighten the nozzle. It's copper and it will just rip out the threads. Or even worse, destroy the insulating material. Yeah, so it's set up now. Almost set up. Because next thing is obviously the most important thing to weld is the ground. And the ground wire is still in the box. I have to clean this up. This is a mess here. So last and final step is obviously, and this is like you put it in and twist it a bit. Just like this, not much. It stays in. Yeah, that's your welding machine setup. But there are better tutorials on this as mine. It's just my my setting it up here. And obviously you got here your voltage and yeah, wire type. There are fancier ones with more settings, but for what it is and what it costs, I didn't take the cheapest one. I took one that's made in Germany. I thought it's it's quality checked and designed in Germany, so at least it's better than 100% made in China and checked in China and designed in China. Ui, ui, ui. Yeah, by the way, you shouldn't attach this here to your testicles. This is just to hold it while I was setting it up. But there is another box here besides this little sad piggy. Oh, you're hungry? Oh, you're hungry. No food for you, little piggy bank. I spent all on a new welding machine. Yeah, this here is... Let's see if I can do this in one shot, which I can't. But it is a... yeah, box in a box. Here it is. Welding helmet. And here inside the box they gave me a little gift. It's a gift card, you know. A gift card for guys. Yeah, that's handy for some survival kit. It's actually a quite advanced one. It's got some wrenches on it. Yeah. Thanks. And promptly I need the instruction manual, but not for the machine, but for the helmet, because it comes with this adjustable harness and I have no idea how to put it in. And yeah, that's not quite helpful. Talk a ton about the color settings and stuff, but the most basic thing is missing. Now, peely. Ooh. Nice. So let me show you how this fancy mask works. This is LED lighting, and if I go over to my tube, it just blacks out. Back, dark, bright, dark. Yeah, nice. Tip and tip. Yeah, and of course you can fine adjust it on something like this.